answering my learned senior counsel question. The last paragraph, he says, I was due to give her 100,000 shillings, and as I did this, I erroneously picked the wrong number and sent the 100,000 shillings then. Then I slept without knowing recipient is a different person. Is that your statement?
That's my statement.
Did you take this statement on oath before the county assembly?
Yes.
Do you still want to stand with the statement, or you want to discount it now?
To stand with the statement, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.
Counsel, you know your time is actually up.
I am just about to be done. 5 minutes, Madam Speaker. Because for me to debunk the lie.
Counsel, I'll give you 2 minutes. You just maybe wind up with the questioning.
I'll try my best, but I seek your indulgence. Mr. Witness, look at where you sent money to Lucy, correct? At page 99 of your bundle of documents.
Yes.
Can you see at 2357, you sent money to Wilfred Momanyi, 10,000 shillings?
Yes, I did.
Was it the same day?
Same day.
Were you asleep?
I slept.
Did you send the money while you were asleep?
No.
Thank you. Let's proceed. That is 2 hours later, correct?
But you know...
That is 2 hours. Excuse me, Mr. Witness, you're wasting my time. That is 2 hours later, correct?
It is 2 hours later, yes.
And on the following day, sorry, at the same time, you also sent, you're lost? You also sent money to one Joseph Aurora, correct? 3,000 shillings, correct?
Where is that?
That is the next day, correct?
Joseph Aurora.
The next day,
Next day is 29th, yes.
you sent, had you noticed you had made an error that time?
I did not.
When you're sending 10,000 shillings to Wilfred Momanyi, did you notice that you had made an error?
No.
When you made an error, when did you realize you've made an error? After receiving a call from Lucy or your own volition?
It was Lucy's call.
It was after you received a call, correct?
Yes.
But on the same date, at 9:17, you sent 100,000 shillings to Gladys Amiga, correct?
Correct.
Had Lucy made the call at that particular time?
Yes.
Do you know what time Lucy made the call to you?
I can't recall the exact time, but Lucy's conversion here was to the effect that she called at 8 while in Kisumu.
So at this time, you had tried to make attempts to reverse, correct? When did you make the attempts to reverse the money?
When I talked to Gladys is when to Lucy is when I was
at 9, correct?
Yes.
Show us in your M-Pesa statement where the attempts to reverse the money has been captured.
I failed. I didn't make
Excuse me.
Attempt.
Excuse me.
It is not a capture.
Yes, we understand that you failed. And when you fail to reverse, you are given an M-Pesa statement or position.
That's what I'm
Excuse me. Let me put this into context.
And so can you allow him to answer? And that should be your final question, please.
Yes, proceed. It is your statement that you claim to have tried and it was not successful, correct?
Yes, that I've made it clear here in this house.
Which USDD codes did you use?
I've said I'm not an expert in IT, Madam Speaker, and therefore I was trying something I'd not done before.
Which procedure did you use in your trials?
I was trying to get somebody to assist me.
Who is that you tried to get?
The people who were in my compound then.
Yes, for example,
I didn't get one who could
we understand. You may name one person that you attempted to initiate.
One person?
Yes.
My wife?
Your wife?
Yes.
Is she conversant with the reversals?
That is where we got a challenge. She is not.
She is equally not conversant?
Yes.
Mr. Daktari, confirm that you are a real doctor and not an imposter. Yes?
Madam Speaker, I
You don't
want to be
understand
protected
small
that matters
instructions.
Matters referred to here remain on the subject we are discussing. About my education, it is not a matter in.
But you are well educated, correct? You are well educated, no doubts, correct?
Madam Speaker, I would like to
Council,
protest
your
at the
time,
disrespect that has
Council-
continuously been
Council
shown.
Keegan, you
Yes.
can resume your seat for now. Council Degwa Jiro, your time is up, actually. We have indulged and overindulged on the cross-examination.
If you indulge me, I'll only ask one question about the phone book and I'll be done.
No.
Only one question about the phone book and how the mistake is alleged to have occurred, and I'll be done, Madam Speaker.
Council, there was cross-examination on that issue of the phone book.
Yeah, we
if I
have not
recall.
examined on it.
So